everyone, welcome to Learn Through Drawing. Today we are going to learn about letter B. We are going to draw some words that start with the letter B. First, let's see how we write letter B. B. First word that starts with B is banana. B A N A N A banana. Next word that starts with B is butterfly. B U T T E R F L Y butterfly. Next word that starts with B is ball. B A L L ball. Next word that starts with B is balloon. B A L L O O N balloon. Next word that starts with B is B B E E bee. Next word that starts with B is bird. B I R D, bird. Next word that starts with B is bulldozer. B U L L D O Z E R, bulldozer. Excellent! Now we have learned and drawn some words that start with B. Let's see it again. Bulldozer, bird, bee, balloon, ball, butterfly, banana. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you again. Bye bye.